I Am Checklist Volume 6. Canva is brand new video training product from Kevin Fahey. I Am Checklist Volume 6 included 32 step-by-step checklists and 32 training videos which will teach you everything you need to know about designing awesome graphics with Canva and earning from your creations. I Am Checklist Volume 6 is 100% different than the checklists included in the previous volumes. I Am Checklist Volume 6 will save you time, give you a simple roadmap to follow, and help you crush it earning with Canva. The folks over at I Am Checklists have done it again, and this is the biggest earning opportunity I've seen a long time for someone just starting off. What you're getting is 32 step-by-step checklists plus 32 training videos showing you how to design professional-looking graphics for every project you could think of. From social graphics, logos, posters, flyers, resumes, presentations, invitation cards, photos, Facebook posts, ads covers, ebook covers, banners for your website and more. I think you get it. Everything. With these skills and checklists, you can finally sack your designer and no longer have to pay high street prices for basic designs, saving you hundreds of thousands every month. You'll have the skills to become a paid designer. On sites like Upwork and Fiverr, you'll see thousands in the search for graphics. Change $20, $50 per hour for your time. Next, you'll get full private label rights to all the checklists. You can use them to build your list, sell them over and over for instant profits, create a new training course from them, change them any way you want. Again, the options are endless. Here's exactly what you get. You get 32 checklists in 3 different formats that you can easily follow to create your own awesome-looking graphics using a free cloud-based software. Works both on Mac and PC. You get 32 over-the-shoulder step-by-step training videos so you can see exactly what you need to do to create anything from social media posts and banners through to lead magnets and logos. You get actionable steps under each video to encourage you to take action and make progress as you go through the training so that by the end you can see results. You have the opportunity to sell your own designs on Freelancer sites and earn 10x more than you invest in this training within only hours from now. You get private label rights to these checklists with unlimited earning potential and the flexibility to use them in so many different ways. Here's a quick overview of the checklists and training videos covered in this module. Create a Canva account. Navigate Canva dashboard. Create your Canva profile. Canva design tools. Layouts and grids. Canva frames. Canva shapes and lines. Canva illustration icons. Canva charts. I love Canva. Canva text new. Canva font combinations. Canva image editor. Canva color palette. Canva saved design. Canva Pinterest post. Canva Twitter post. Facebook quote post. Instagram post connect. Presentations PowerPoint. Downloading your designs. Create a magazine. Other documents on Canva. Create Kindle cover. Create ebook using Canva. Blogging and ebook section. Flyers and brochures. Gift certificates and labels. Logo using Canva. YouTube art using Canva. Banners and headers. Announcements, invitations. You can use these checklists to become a Canva expert and start earning $20 or more per hour part-time. Save thousands on outsourcing and finally sack your designer. Use for all sorts of graphics and social media posts. Sell them over and over for instant profit. The options are endless. You too can easily sell this to anyone looking to save time and money when creating professional graphic designs. Anyone who uses social media to increase fans and followers. Beginners looking to learn a new skill which they can use to generate an additional income. Entrepreneurs and internet marketers who need eye-catching designs to catch people's attention online. Freelancers and advertisers who sell their services online or offline. Business owners who use the internet to increase visitors, customers and sales. I Am Checklist Volume 6. Canva benefits. Discover a money-making skill that could easily make you $100 days. Save time and money by quickly and easily creating your own professional designs. Understand how to use all of the features of the free software we use. Create professional eye-catching designs that grab people's attention online or offline. Sell your services to people actively looking to pay for your designs. Checklist comes with training videos. Full private label rights (PL) are included.